Our topic
Yes.
is how to build a digital business without a big social media following. So, welcome everyone to our day 59 of our 90-day Go Live Challenge. We're so excited to have you here tonight because we'll be talking about something that holds a lot of people back from starting a digital business. Kaya, but, tama ba yung sinabi ko, partner? So, ito yung the fear of not having a big social media following. So, kailangan ba natin talaga ng maraming followers para kumita? 'Di ba? So, how many of you feel like you need thousands of followers to succeed? Well, tonight, we're going to discuss that myth and show you how you can actually build a thriving digital business